Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Monday.com time tracking and billable verification step by step clearly. To verify time tracking on Monday.com, begin by logging into your account. Navigate to the specific board where you want to track time. Locate the column designated for time tracking. This column may be labeled as time tracking or something similar. Click on the cell corresponding to the item you wish to check. Here, you will see the total amount of time tracked. To check the billable verification, identify the designated column for billable hours. This column may be labeled as billable or similar. Ensure that the hours entered match the track time. If there's a separate field for the billing rate, verify that it is correctly set. Next, review the item's status to ensure it has transitioned from in progress to completed if applicable. If necessary, apply filters to isolate items based on their time tracking status. Click on the filter icon and set your parameters accordingly. Review filtered items to ensure all desired time tracking data is visible. To aggregate billable time for reporting, navigate to the dashboard section. Create or open a dashboard where you want to display the time tracking overview. Add a time tracking widget to your dashboard. Configure the widget settings to reflect the relevant board and date range. This will give you a visual summary of your time tracking. For detailed reports, consider exporting data. Go to the three-dot menu on your board and select Export to Excel. In the exported file, you can analyze track time and billable hours. Back in Monday.com, make sure to regularly audit your entries for accuracy. Review entries at the end of each week to ensure everything aligns. This consistency will help maintain accurate records for billing and project management. If you encounter discrepancies, investigate individual entries immediately. Check for any potential errors in time entry or misclassification of billable hours. Once verified, proceed to communicate the final tracking report to your team or clients as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively verify time tracking and billable hours on Monday.com. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.